Hey folks, just wanted to say hi and that I'm doing okay. Had a little slip and fall there. Broke some stuff in my leg. See, there's my Christmas tree. Here's my leg right there. So I won't be in for a little bit. I'll get x-rays and MRIs and we'll see about surgery or something like that. So anyway, wanted to say hi and thanks for the emails from people. And I will be back as soon as I can be, and you can always email me questions. I'm putting everything online, so whether you're there in person or not, your stuff should be there. Your handouts, Mr. Hanslick made copies, so there should be some in the classroom, and there should also be some um, in his room if I ever don't have a sub. Okay, so you can get it in Hanslick's room, which is 126, or in my room. Just make sure you look at those lesson plans and keep up. Ask questions if you have them. I'll be making videos throughout and trying to get back in business again. All right, miss you guys. Talk to you later.